championship. I want you to obey my commands at all times, protect yourself at all times. I want a nice, clean, safe fight. Touch gloves, back your corners, come out fighting.
The fighters touch gloves. Key and ship fight as the champ looks to defend the... Well, perhaps a sign.
Dude's hurt.
No collar tie now.
Oh, man, look at
And this might just be a matter of time.
Oh!
You can see the years of repetitions in the gym to set it up and ultimately get the tap there. Great technique to set up the finish. Let's take a look back at the replay as he gets it done by submission tonight, champ.
He does a great job of staying patient. He does